Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob. Welcome to this week's Trade Along Tuesday. This update is for Tuesday, February 27, 2018. Let's go ahead and jump right in, guys. A couple of online workshops coming up. We've got some free workshops as well. Power After Hour, brand new workshop we've added in probably twice a month is what we're looking at for it. This would be our second one coming out today. So by all means, come and check it out. Go to the website, go into the members area. Yes, you will have to subscribe to get in there. There's no cost to subscribe. Basically, give us your name and an email so we can send you the links to get in. So go and set up for that. Cryptomania is tomorrow. Guys, there's a big craze on cryptos, on how we trade them, how effective they are. I'm sitting here watching CNBC this morning, and I just saw a flash go by on Bitcoin's futures, and it was up $400 this morning. So come on and check that out. Of course, we've got E-mini Trader Talk and Power Options Plays, and there are plenty of on-demand workshops you can grab while you're at the site as well. So here is the Follow Us page that you can go ahead and do just that. I mean, we're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so come and check out everything we do, guys. You just never know where I'm going to throw something out there for the day. Today's Trade Along Tuesday stock is Biogen, BIIB. Is our ticker symbol. So let's go ahead and jump in first to Trade Navigator. And we've had a nice recovery take place on Biogen. I put this one out yesterday as a tweet that we need to be looking at a bearish trade on Biogen, and it did exactly what I thought it was going to. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on it so you can see it a little bit better. We pushed up to that 80 MA and failed. It was great if you caught it yesterday. But this isn't called Trade Along Monday, it's Trade Along Tuesday, right? So I thought we would go ahead and continue with this trade today. So if it does make the move down, guys, we do have a little distance to the 80 MA. That's the only disadvantage to this setup right now, is we're about $4 away from resistance. You're welcome to wait and see if it recovers a little bit today or over the next day or two and then roll over. But I would want it under that 292.25 level to take the trade no matter what. Our first stopping point is 286.42 and then 280.60. When I say stopping point, that's support. So your target's going to be somewhere up above there. You want to be out of 70% of your trade by the time you get to that 280.60 level. You want to be out. And then if we do violate that 280.60, we're looking at that 276.5 is our next target, and then 271.5 is the target down below there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, by the way, let's zoom in. So, guys, that somewhere up above that 294.5 is going to be your exit. All right, it's got to get above the moving average. Now, if you want to play it less aggressive, you could do the 292.25. I just think you're leaving yourself open for the possibility of a push up and a rollover. So just be cautious when it comes to taking that exit early. So let's go ahead and take a look at an option chain and see what we've got here. So I've got two different options expirations open here. I've got the March 29th, right, which is a quarterly option, right, so 30 days out, and I have the April 18th. And here's why. We're looking at puts, of course. So if we look at puts, open interest, I've got to have an 82 delta, which will cost me 24.25 is my midpoint. Now it is fairly valued, right? 24.25. It's worth 24.80, so we're right on track. Okay. If we go down and look at the 52 days, excuse me, let's tickle my throat there. 52 days out, April 20th. You can see we have tons of open interest out here, and I'd be okay going to a 67 delta, paying $19.95 for the option, instead of paying $24.25 and getting myself another, what do we say here, 22 days of time in there, okay? Biggest place on the bell curve is that 65-ish delta, that 65 to 85 delta. So I like that lower delta always. It is valued at $20 right now is what I would pay for it, and its fair value is $21.54. So not only am I getting a extra 22 days, I'm also buying an option that is $1.50 undervalued and something that's right at value. All right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eye on the market. We are flat this morning, but we had a tremendous move to the upside yesterday. A lot of stocks are pushing higher. Biogen could not hold. When I looked at TradeStation, and this is, I'm doing this one on Tuesday morning. When I looked at TradeStation this morning, we had a small, these ugly colored greens and reds are pre and post market. Nothing is traded yet today. This is all from last night. We had the gap down, the gap right back up again. But again, overall, if you look at the bearish move, I like it a lot. We had this one in our power options plays. We had them, let's see, where are we? Bearish, right? We had them, the note we had was bearish with a pullback to the 8. So there we are, guys. This is where people took it yesterday in power options plays. We took a trade on yesterday. On this one. So there you have it. You have a wonderful and glorious day, folks. God bless, and I will see you all at our next update. Take care, folks. Bye now.